to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
It is another Sunday funday runday. We've got the Pittsburgh Steelers playing today at 1 o'clock. They've managed to win their last two games, which I think is rather surprising even to we the fans. So, I've got my Steeler trolley on display. We've got our Steeler 280 MTH passenger set and the terrible trolley, for which I will share some audio in a bit. And then, of course, we have our Miller keg train with the Plymouth switcher on the top level. And bringing it all together, a cup of coffee. Apropos to nothing, there was a funny article I read this week on Buzzfeed, so consider the source. Sensational headlines much? Clickbait much? Anyway, it was going through what they determined to be women's least attractive hobbies that men can have, and one of them was model railroading. I'd love to hear your comments in the comments section on this. But long and short, it was listed among other things such as gambling, performing magic tricks, and some other things that just seemed absolutely bogus to me. And then when you... Oh, there's the MTH Steelers train. But anyway, I'll link to it in the description, but I just thought it was very, very funny. Here it is on the computer feed here. Playing video games, collecting figurines, magic tricks, online trolling, gambling, and then building model trains. Taxidermy. Just some very odd things. Anyway, and then of course below it there's reader context that says there's no proof of this, and then the multiples of each of these survey bars is whack. So I just thought it was hilarious, but please do comment. Let's run some trains. I'm going to get the Steelers passenger set fired up. You can join me if you'd like. I'll pass the keg train on the way to the controller. And here we are. Coffee? Yes, please. And away we go. Terrible trolley from MTH is very cool. It has some cool Myron Cope sounds. I'll fire those up here in a minute. Here comes our passenger train. Smoking. Our path. trolley sounds are being funky. So, as a compromise, I've slowly started running the Steelers trolley on the same loop as our MTH Canton switcher representing Baltimore, and on the outer loop our Western Maryland Scenic 558 diesel engine. Slowly rolling along. And I hope everyone has an awesome rest of the weekend.